In this video, I'll show you how to move documents between rooms in DocuSign step by step, so you can keep your files organized and easy to manage. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and going to your dashboard, then navigate to the Agreements section where all your documents are stored. Find the document you want to move and click on the three-dot menu next to it to open additional options. From there, select Move, and you'll be prompted to choose the destination room where you want the document to be placed. Confirm your selection, and the document will be transferred instantly. This feature is especially useful when organizing files by team, project, or workflow stage. Always double-check the destination room before confirming to avoid confusion later. You can also reorganize documents anytime, which helps maintain a clean and structured workspace as your files grow. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.